Here's how to fix the HVCI enabled error in Valorant on Windows 10 or 11. HVCI stands for Hypervisor Protected Code Integrity, and it appears in Windows as the Memory Integrity toggle under Core Isolation. It can conflict with Riot's Vanguard anti-cheat, so we need to turn it off safely. Click the Start button and type Windows Security, then open the app with the blue shield icon. Once inside, click Device Security on the left sidebar. Click Device Details, then select Core Isolation. You will see the Memory Integrity toggle. Disable it. Windows will notify you that a restart is required. Save any open work and restart your PC. After rebooting, launch Valorant again, and the HVCI error should be gone, with Vanguard initializing normally. If the message still appears, go back to Windows Security and confirm memory integrity remains off, since Windows updates can sometimes re-enable it automatically. Keep in mind, turning off memory integrity slightly reduces a layer of system protection. Many players disable it only while gaming and re-enable it afterward. Just remember that switching it back on requires another restart. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.